We got a new cat named Clowe. Chloe.
And we're gonna sing Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell Rock. Okay, let's sing it. Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell Rock. And Jingle Bell Twist. And Jingle Bell Share. Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell Rock. And Jingle Bell Twist. And Jingle Bell Share.
You see, she just meowed. She's 5 years old and she's a baby and we just got her. Hey. We just got her and her name is Clowe.
Say hi, Chloe. Hi.
She really doesn't know how to use the bathroom in the litter box yet. But literally, wait. She can touch this. I'm picking her up right now. Wait.
Can I hold her now?
And she runs really fast. Really fast.
Because she's scared.
And she loves to purr.
Can I hold her now?
Hold on. And we just love her so much.
And look at her beautiful tail.
She's not happy with you. She's not happy with you. I do not hear her purring, so she is not happy with you. You right there, you. Hey, why are you mad with me? Hold on.
Marley. Right. You're ugly, everybody.
You ugly. You ugly. Geo, daddy shine. Hey. She's gonna do hit the quan. Hit the quan. She's gonna do whip and nay nay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay. Want me whip. Want me nay nay. Want me whip. Want me nay nay. Want me whip. Want me nay nay. And that is all for our video, and thank you today. And you're going to see our sister hold the cat real quick.
Put the cat down. Put her down.
I'm making a video.
No, but leave her alone.